Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at the EXPORAIL Museum, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a walk around on the premises. So here we have the turntable, and this is balanced so that you could actually manually turn it. This is a station building. They call it the Hayes building. I'm not quite sure why. From previous video, you'll remember this SD40-2. Yeah, I think CP Freight just came through actually. No, it's the EXO train. So I'm here at about 10:30 a.m. Over there, you have a GP9, but it's chop nose. You'll see that later on. And an RDC, I think 4. This one has the baggage compartment and a little part in the back. I think actually this is all baggage compartment, baggage and for it's all baggage. Yeah, it's and that is for riding. It's for maintenance away people, inspectors. They have these little trackmobiles. These are the electric motor units, EMUs, from the CN line, from the Dumont-Tang line. I did a video of those the last time I was here. These are a C630, I believe. And a C420, I think. These are both in the CP livery. And I'm going to look around and see what else I can find here. Here's a baggage car in the old CN green. The old CN maple leaf emblem. Looks like a smooth side baggage car. An express car. Let's see what else we can find. There's some things that are covered up, so I can't really tell. Here's a CN car. This would have been just like they would have had on the commuter line at Dumont-Tang at one time. I wonder if this is the same one I saw last time. It's in the black and gray scheme, and the number is there. And there's a ballast car. Actually, yeah, I think it's a ballast car. This needs really a lot of attention to it. Looks really rusted. And now that is cool. This is an LRC locomotive. I have not seen one of these since the 90s. The LRC cars are still around. This was built by Montreal Locomotive Works. And they're the head-end cars that were intended for the LRC cars. This is in the blue and yellow and gray that these were delivered in. It sounds like they have a locomotive running. Here's what the front looked like. And the front of the locomotive actually looks in pretty decent shape. I'd love to see them put this in running order. And here we have a St. Lawrence and Atlantic locomotive. It's an M420. So it has a Canadian safety cab. These were applied widely to CN locomotives. This tells me this was a CN locomotive at one time. And it was sold to the St. Lawrence and Atlantic. Now the St. Lawrence Atlantic locomotive here, it predates the time when St. Lawrence and Atlantic was taken over by the, what do you call it there? The same company that owns the QGRY. Yeah, so these never made it into the orange and black and yellow. Which is kind of a shame. This kind of would look really nice in that orange and black and yellow from the QGRY, and that'd be great. And in the back there, this used to be a locomotive from CP, and it was repainted by AMT. So they have, at one time these were running on, I think, the Candiac line too. Maybe also on the St. Jerome line. It's a GP9 chop nose. And there, it had a steam generator car. This box car here provided power for the coaches. So that's building number 9 over there. I will be able to, in a moment, go in there. But I did want to see this, the front of this St. Lawrence Atlantic locomotive with this CN safety cab. So I'm going to break this into 2 different videos. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.